Hi guys, welcome to Cyclop. In this video, we are discussing question number 9. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. If you want any help related to the other queries, related to the exam, related to any, so you can contact us. Here, question number 9a, which is let G show that G is the cyclic group of the order 6, B is to solve the following set of the congruences, and the C show that is not a UFD by giving two different factorizations of the 20. All questions are of 5 marks, and for information, we have solved all the assignments if in the PDF and other forms. If you want this any form, you can contact us. If you want any other help, so you can contact us. And if you have related other queries, so you can contact us. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.